What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and I want to thank each and every single one of you guys out there. You guys are awesome. All the support and love, I appreciate it so much. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at GloveBox Detail. What is that, you ask? Well, GloveBox Detail is a monthly subscription based detailing service. So basically, they have boxes pre-set, pre-made monthly with a variety of different professional detailing products. I personally think this is a fantastic idea. And before we get any further, I want to take a second and thank Fred, was the one that got a hold of me with GloveBox Detail, and Brad from GloveBox Detail. Thank you guys so much for reaching out to me. This is a sponsored video. They did contact me and ask if they could send me out the September box to basically just do a review on the box, help get their company out there. And I said no problems, because I, for one, think this is a fantastic idea. So let's talk a bit more about it. So GloveBox Detail has 3 different levels of boxes that you can subscribe to in a 3-month, 6-month, 12-month, whichever you want to go with. This is their deluxe box. It's around 35 bucks a month, I believe. They have a box below this, but it is not full-size bottles, so you're getting just sample-size bottles. This deluxe box, you're gonna get full-size products, full-size bottles, products, and stuff like that. And I just think it's a great idea. They also have a build your own box. You can create your own box if you wanted to. So the idea around this glove box is just awesome. Coming from an enthusiast, a weekend warrior. Now Brad, the co-founder, he shares that passion for detailing since he's been young, like we all do. So he's not just some guy that created a company. He shares his passion. He has his own detailing company, and he details cars that I can only dream of detailing one day. So it's not just some guy that created this trying to make money, guys. This guy, Brad, he's really passionate about detailing and helping people out. Now, one thing about it is, not only do you get the products, but he also has videos to show you how to use the products. So I think that's really cool. So I've had this for a while. I know I've been slacking, guys, but that thing called life gets in the way sometimes. Let's go ahead and open this box up. As you guys can see, I got some cards here. GloveBox Detail, a little card. Basically, you know, thanking me. Can't wait for your feedback. Thanks again. Jason and Brad. Okay, so there's Jason in there. So Fred, Jason, and Brad. I'm going to say thank you to all 3 of you guys. You guys are awesome. All right. Now, as you guys can see, I haven't opened it yet. I opened the box, but I wanted to wait till on camera so I could show you guys this. How beautiful, neatly packaged that this stuff is right here. And it has, first things first, it has the stickers. You guys know I love stickers. And then it's got the September Deluxe step-by-step guide on here. Now I did read this and I think it's really cool. It gives you basically a guide on how to use the products. And then at the bottom, it has each product in here and it gives you their pricing. That way you know you're getting a deal. Total value 76 bucks for 35 bucks. So no matter what, you're gonna get more than what you pay for, which I think is awesome as well. Also at the bottom down here, excuse me, it has discount codes on the specific products websites. If you like what you get in your box and you say, you know what, I want to buy some more of this, you can go to their website and they have discount codes on here as well. So I think that is fantastic. So first things first, we're gonna pull out a nice waffle weave. This is my first waffle weave towel, guys, ever. And I hear they're fantastic on glass. No lint. Nice waffle weave right here. I'm gonna go ahead and set that down over here. Next product up, they come nicely packaged. Jax Wax glass cleaner. I have not tried any Jax Wax products before, so that's pretty cool. And look, you got your waffle weave for your glass cleaner right there. I think that's pretty cool. Next product. Ooh. Lithium Quench Hydration. This is pretty interesting. You guys know I got a bunch of lithium products, so I've never seen this one before. Let's see, it is a hydration wax. So I look forward to trying this out. Next up, Wizards Mist and Shine Professional Detailer. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've really heard of Wizards before. I'm not too sure. That's a pretty cool bottle though. So it's just it's a professional detailer basically. Super gloss, super slick, anti-static, anti-streak, buy and dissolve paint, chrome, plastics, motorcycle windshields. Okay. Motorcycle windshields, that's kind of random. All right, what else is in here? We've got another, ooh, this is nice. This looks like a pretty thick, maybe like a 500 GSM edgeless. It's very thick, very plush towel right there. That's nice. You could team that up with the Wizards Mist and Shine. You can use it to buff off the hydration wax. And we've got a sprayer and a applicator pad. So I like how they put everything together to kind of work in conjunction with each other. So that's pretty cool. They did that. So you got your Wizards Mist and Shine, your Quench Hydration. This one's really got my eye right here. Your Jax Wax glass cleaner, your applicator pad, a spray nozzle, and then you got your 2 microfiber towels. Now that's a box right there. And what I really like is it's always switching it up. Each month you're gonna get something different. And I mean, you can do the 3-month trial if you want, and you never know. You could find some products in there that you really like and you wanna continue to use, and then you just go to their website and you just found a product that you like and you're going to keep using it. So I think that's really, really cool. The idea behind it is really intriguing because you guys know me, I'm not a professional detailer, but I think it aims at all aspects of detailers, enthusiasts, weekend warriors, professionals, and I really like the fact that he has videos as well on his website for products to show you how to use the products. I think that's really cool that he takes the time to do that. That's awesome. I'm really got my eye on this Quench right here, guys, because you guys know I like lithium. So, and I honestly have none of these products. I mean, I have some plush microfibers, obviously, but I don't have any of these detailing products, which is kind of crazy because I have like so many products. But yeah, I told him I have no problems reviewing this on my channel because I think it's a fantastic idea behind this whole glove box detail. And he also wanted me to let you guys know that if you guys are interested in trying glove box detail, you could use my discount code SMURF20. I'll put that in the description box as well as put it on the screen right now. That way you guys know. SMURF20 will get you 20% off your first box. I think this is a fantastic idea for the detailing community and a way to get products out to people who want to get into it, but there's just so much. This is such a huge industry, guys, and I'm still learning that as I'm going. Such a huge industry, and to have somebody help you out like this, make it simple, make it easy, I think it's a fantastic idea. Brad, Jason, Fred, all you guys are killing it with this because I think this is a fantastic idea. So I hope you guys like this video. And once again, thank you to Brad, Jason, Fred for reaching out to me. I appreciate it so much. You guys, head on over to GloveBox Detail. Check it out if you're interested. Give them a shot. If not, that's fine. But I think this is a fantastic idea. I think you guys are going to love it. So I'm going to make that short, guys, this video. And I want to take the time and say thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos and support my channel. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys all out there are being safe. And I want to thank you again for all the support on my channel. If you like this video, if you like detailing videos, product reviews, paint correction, coatings, stuff like that, please consider subscribing to the channel, smashing that thumbs up for me, clicking that little notification icon, the little bell. That way when I upload more videos, you guys will get notified. So thank you so much again. I appreciate it. And I hope you guys all out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is, where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.